In this video, we show you how to activate the new AutoUpdate feature in the PLENTICORE or PIKO IQ inverter. Enter the IP address of your inverter into the browser of your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and click on Enter. You find the IP address in the display of your inverter. Log into the web server as plant owner with your password. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgotten Password. Enter the master key of your inverter, choose a new password, and click on Save. You find the master key on the nameplate of our inverter. After you logged in, select Update from the menu above. On this page, you will find the link to the latest software version. Click on Here and save this file. This file includes the latest software version and the new AutoUpdate feature. You can drag and drop the file into the provided field or click on Select Update File. Select Run and start the installation. Now the update file is uploaded. This process can take a few minutes. Then the inverter must be restarted. Select Restart the device. After the installation, log into the web server again. Select Update and switch from manual updates to automatic updates. Click on Save. Now your inverter is automatically updated to the latest software version.